zone on hack the box. So let's go ahead and rust scan. Oh, whoops. Got a lot of whoops there. Yeah, I got yawning up a storm. Pinging it. There we go. Ooh, man, we got quite a few things open here. Let's go ahead and first off just try to FTP into it like real quick. See if that works. Also tried SMB client. That failed. Okay, we can see some shares here. We have files, general, and development here. All right, let's go ahead and we can actually mount the SMB. So we'll do I haven't mounted SMB in a while. SMB share, mount SMB share, sudo mount t, sifs. We obviously don't care about that, like right there. We just care about actually, I think there's another way to be able to do this. This is where I had somewhere like mount, how to mount a whole bunch of different stuff. Maybe I just having different parts. Yeah. I thought it was mounted more for some reason. Sifs. Then permission denied. What's that? Can we actually knock it into that thing? Okay. Maybe because I can't actually get into it. What about general? Okay, I can't get into general, so let's go ahead and mount general. And then we'll look at development. Can I get in development? Okay, I can. So let's also mount development. I don't know if I can mount it. I don't know if I can do that. I don't know if it's going to overwrite it. There's nothing in there. Okay, let's go ahead and try mount general again. Okay, hopefully those are some actual creds. Work, work, hallelujah. Creds for the admin thing. Okay, so we got some creds here. Stopping real quick to say hi and wishing you the best, bro. Oh, no, you're good, man. No, you're good, Mr. Murky. Thank you very much. All right. Let's see here. So we have that now, right? Can we do an SMB client with, let's say, something like, what was the one that we couldn't get into? We could not get into files, right? Files. And then can we do, is it like that? Or is it capital U? I think it's capital U. And then put in this password here. I think that'll work. I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's probably a web server up and running that we're gonna have to use this for, but let's go ahead and head out to the website then. FriendZone. FriendZone portal.red. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and Ferox busted that guy. Okay. There, it also says stuff about DNS and things like that. So we got the creds so far, right? Um, we also had this thing is FriendZone portal.red, right? So I'm wondering if is it like friendzone.red? At. Can I see anything there? We got WordPress. Is that really all it is? Did we just get the admin credentials for WordPress? No, we did not. Okay. Okay. All right. It's not that, like right there. We do have friendzone portal.red, right? So should we put that into our Etsy host? Let's go and try to throw that into our Etsy host. Okay. There's a red right there, red.friendzone portal.red. Let's try with AXFR. See what we got here. Friendzone portal. We have an admin friendzone portal.red files imports VPN. All right. Got quite a few here. Fine shot. Looks good. Okay. So we have admin. All right. Files. Let's look at some one of these now. Files I kind of want to look at because that might go along with the SMB. Imports, and then we have VPN. Kind of look at that files like right there though. Let's go and check out this files like real quick. Whoops. I want to check out that files and that admin. Those are big ones I feel like are right there. Okay, so far everything's the exact same thing. What about VPN? That's the CPN. VPN goes same place. And lastly, we have imports. Okay. Okay, it just looked weird at first. All right. So now, oh my God. Let's try, we have so many in there. Let's try to do a GoBuster, vhost. There was a robots.txt, but I feel like that's not going to do much for us. We could look at it, but yeah. Okay, GoBuster, vhost, vhost. See if I find anything here. Let's go ahead and up the threads also. A lot of status 400s. I don't really care about status 400. Is there a way to not? Exclude length. Are all those same length? They're all 422. Okay, that looks a little bit better. A little bit. Getting somewhere. Nothing. Alright, shitty day. All these guys are probably the same place. See if there's something else in here that I'm missing, that I'm not seeing. Let me try something here. I don't trust the FriendZone portal. Like when we very first did it, I felt like it was this FriendZone.red, FriendZone portal.red. I wonder if FriendZone.red is also a thing. So I felt like that was a part of the email address. Do you have to do append domain? Okay, so I felt like I've done that one before. That's why this really weird story doing vhosts. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, why would I thought that was just for that one box that I had to do that. Let's also do a friendzone.red. Okay. Still not finding anything down there. Alright. Let's go ahead and see if that exists. Friendzone.red. Yeah, that 100% exists. We have administrator 1, HR, uploads, and friendzone. Yeah, that 100% exists. Okay. Okay. So just like my very first hunch was correct. That was part of the email address, like right there, friendzone portal thing. So we have this fucker like right here. We also have HR. We also have uploads. Jesus. Someone's put a lot of work on this guy. Okay, let's try administrator 1. Huh. Oh. It's because of that friendzone.red. I was like, wait a minute, what? No, not that. No, I don't want friendzone portal. Did I mess it up again? Well, let's keep going there. Same exact goddamn thing. Jesus Christ almighty. thing be pissing me off. So we know we have an admin. We know we have administrator 1. We know we have HTTPS. God damn, there's our FriendZone red. It's like we thought the freaking very first time. God damn it. Okay. There. Okay. So we do have some credentials, we think. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. Login done, visit / dashboard.php. Okay. Smart folder script FriendZone core. No, we are the beginner PHP developer and the application is not yet tested. Default is okay. So we obviously have some type of, I don't even know what. Beginner PHP developer dashboard. We have SMB. We just, is this the page is not in there, right? So is that telling us that script went wrong? Okay, the script include wrong param. Like capital D, wasn't it, before? We could get in development if there's nothing in there. We do something like this. Is this under development? We have develop. Or if this could be just show.php like that. No, it's not like that. Okay. I wonder where this is actually going to be at now. Huh. Nothing there. Okay. What if we have some type of what is it? Some type of inclusion here. Nothing in there. Okay. So PHP is definitely sitting in there. Okay. It appends the PHP onto it. This is what it's doing. It's appending PHP onto it so you don't have to type in the whole thing. Okay. Ah, boy. Hate to see it. Nope, don't know a password yet. Okay, let's go ahead and that's the password. Bin bash or grep. So we have friend. Probably about to find a bunch of them. No, actually I didn't. Database user friend. For development process, my SQL creds for user friend. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually check that page out. So this is the database name is FZ. Let's see if we can actually just SU into friend. If that's also his login, it is. Okay, that's also his login. Whoops. Password reuse. He can't run that. Okay. Let's go ahead and anything in opt? There is. Okay. Server admin. Reporter.py. Okay, so there's a reporter.py. That is something that we have to remember. We have our user.text like right here. That wasn't too difficult to get to. And then we have reporter.py in there, right? We can't do anything with it. We can't even actually, we can just read it. Okay, import OS to address admin1 from address admin2, trying to send email, mail send. User you tag pass pop pap. Is that like his actual password for like admin1 wasn't on the box though. So let's just go ahead and let's look at what is it? Python 2, right? Because we're running userman Python, okay. So that'll be import OS. That has write executable on there. So let's go ahead and nano. So we have, actually, how do you put in that R? It's weird. Is that R supposed to be in there? I guess we'll find out in a second, huh? I do have, no, not that one. That's straight up path variable, not that one. Because I had one for Python in here. Python path variable? No, it's not Python path variable. Already done that one. Python import. This one's no. Yep. Okay. So os.system bin bash. Let's try that like right there. See if that works for us. AI's VOD from yesterday's double up on this one. We are on Hack the Box, FriendZone like right now. Thank you, Mr. Murky, because I forgot what it was. So this is already OS, so we shouldn't have to like import OS into here, right? I would think, since it's already os.py. I'm just gonna go. We can actually probably just at the bottom of the file down here, we could probably just throw in a little something little like os.system, pretty much what I have right here, os.system. Can we do that here? I feel like we can, right? I feel like we just do that, right? But do we, can we import OS in os.py? That's what I'm kind of, should I do that? Oh, that just seems weird to me. We probably should do a reverse shell, huh? Let's go ahead and go all the way down again. We're gonna try a couple different things here. We'll do my favorite. Let's try that also. I don't know if we need an import system into import. Now we just need to kind of wait for the, I think this would run on a, I would feel like that this would run on a, what's it called? I can't run it on a cron job. Not seeing much change mode in here, huh? I also don't know if that thing actually came with, you know what? We can actually check that real quick. Is there an R at the very beginning of this thing? Or is that just me just hitting an R? There's an R. Okay, so I actually messed it up. So there's an R right here. Okay. All right, and as we can see, find now has an SU ID bit set. I'm supposed to do no. Okay, so find does have, because I didn't change it for that, but find does have a SU ID bit set. If we want to go and have a lot of fun with it, we can go and CD into temp. We're gonna go ahead and do a CD into tools. To have a little thing for this. Okay. And we're going to do a wget. Now, obviously, we could just go to GTFO bins, but I like to show this off whenever I can because I have no shame. All right, I made the script. It is on GitHub. I haven't really updated it lately, but I still like using it for some things. But it's an automatic Linux PrivX thing, like right here. So it'll ask you for your L host. It's going to ask you for your web server L port, so port 80 for me, right? And it's going to go through, it's going to look at different things. Then it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to try to auto-exploit it? You say yes. And it auto-exploited find. It found find for us, auto-exploited find. I do ID, and we are now root, cdn/root. And there's a whole bunch of other ones that can auto-exploit. All right, let's go ahead and throw this into here. Submit the flag. And you know what we're going to do? That was pretty easy, like right there, that end part. You know what we're going to do is we're going to try to get, let's go ahead and head over to InfoSec streams. We're going to try to get security live before he raids me, because that's the type of person I am. And actually, it actually says that he's actually live. He might not actually be live, because I'm not live according to this thing. So it might be stuck. It looks like he is live. Now, he's probably about to get off. I raid him all the time right when he's about to get off. So pretty much I'm really, really good at just creating a super awkward situation for him every day. Let's go ahead and raid him. He keeps saying he's going to get me first, but it's already 10:30 p.m. here. He does not live in Okinawa, Japan. So I hope you all liked it. Hope you all had a good one. Thanks a lot for sticking around.